You ever work on a team where the biggest bug isn't in the code, but in the people? Tech is amazing. We get to build the future, make magic happen, and sometimes change the world. But let's face it, there are a few people in the tech industry who can make you question why you ever left your last job at the coffee shop. From the 10x engineers who don't share their knowledge to designers who treat a misplaced pixel like a crime scene, you'll find people in every corner of tech that drive you to the edge. So, buckle up, because today we're diving into the 5 most annoying people in tech that you just can't avoid. Let's start with the 10x engineer, the lone wolf coder, the one who rewrites the entire codebase at 3 a.m. without telling anyone. You'll see a commit from them at 2:30 a.m. that breaks everything, and when you ask them about it, they just shrug. They don't believe in documentation because you should just know what I'm doing.
No.
They'll argue about tabs versus spaces, but won't write a single comment explaining their code. They're great at what they do, but terrible at collaborating. They break things, then move on to the next big feature, leaving chaos behind.
May chaos take the world.
Now let's talk about the Design Purist, the Pixel Police. This person zooms in 8,000% on a button to analyze its margins like it's a crime scene. They'll send you a 4-paragraph message explaining why your shade of blue is wrong or why the padding on the left side should be precisely 8 pixels instead of 6 pixels. They'll tell you the devs need 2 more days. Fine, whatever. You tell them the margins are off by 4 pixels.
So you have chosen death.
But here's the thing. Good design is important. While the Pixel Police can take it too far, finding a solid design system can save everyone headaches. This is where Mobbin, today's sponsor, comes in. Mobbin is the world's most extensive app design library, with over 500,000 real-world screens for more than 1,200 industry-leading apps. So you can stop wasting time scrolling through Dribbble or taking thousands of screenshots just to keep up with trends.
Stop it. Get some help.
If you're a designer or product manager, Mobbin helps you benchmark designs, analyze competitors, and discover best practices effortlessly. Ever needed inspiration for an onboarding flow or page design, but got hit with a paywall or sign-up form? Well, guess what? Mobbin got your back.
I got you, homie.
With over 80,000 user flows categorized and ready to use. For us devs, Mobbin is equally powerful. Instead of waiting on design handoffs, you can instantly find real-world UI patterns for buttons, forms, and layouts, helping you implement features faster and with confidence. Plus, with Mobbin's Figma plugin, you can export designs instantly and align with your team without endless Slack threads. And whether you're an indie dev or part of a massive organization, Mobbin has flexible pricing plans from a free tier to enterprise-level solutions. So click the link in the description to sign up for free today, because let's be honest, you are going to steal UI ideas anyway, so might as well do it efficiently. Now, let's talk about the Agile Everything Manager. The manager who thinks the daily stand-up should be a 40-minute meeting because they love to ask, "Did anyone do anything yesterday?" for the 7th time. They love using buzzwords like, "let's circle back," but never give a direct answer. Agile can be great when done right, but when done wrong, it turns into a nightmare. You end up in a meeting that feels like an eternity, and by the end of it, you've forgotten what you're actually working on. They micromanage timelines for no reason, asking you to update a task that's been marked as done for 3 months. Next up, the DevOps Gatekeeper, the "it works on my machine" guy. They've mastered the art of saying, "No, you can't deploy today." Why? Because it's not best practice, and they have a policy for everything. Of course, you don't know what these policies are, but they do. Every time you try to deploy a feature, they come up with new rules to prevent it.
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye.
They think everything is too dangerous to deploy. They're the final boss of your project's lifecycle, blocking progress because of obscure policies. Now, the last one, the "I'm a developer too" manager.
I am a surgeon. I am a surgeon.
The manager who used to code years ago and now thinks they're still the most qualified person to refactor your entire project. They have outdated skills but delusional confidence. They throw around buzzwords like they invented them. You should implement microservices. Trust me, I know. They'll rewrite the API to make it more efficient, only for it to break the front end. They'll give you advice on CSS when they still think Flexbox is a new framework. They may mean well, but they often cause chaos by overstepping boundaries. So which one of these types have you encountered this week? Or, dare I ask, are you the "I'm a developer too" manager?
I am a surgeon.
Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you work with anyone like this, I'm sure you'll want to vent about it. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time, fellow CodeHead.